Hello, this is Bonnie, and I will be doing a walkthrough of my CS50 homepage project. In the CS50 IDE, if we type in http:/server, we can find and open the web page that corresponds to my homepage. Now we have a list of all the HTML, CSS, and JPEG files. If we open index, we see my main page. On the top, I have a navigation bar that has options main, articles, and podcasts. In this main page, I also have hello in English, Chinese, and French, which are the three languages that I speak either natively or fluently, and then I have a brief paragraph introducing myself, my hobbies, and my background. Here I have a brief paragraph that explains and links to the articles and podcast page, which I will demonstrate later. In the body of the page, I have a picture of me in Chicago this past summer, me running high school cross country, and meeting Jeremy Lin. I also have the option for the user to insert their email and submit their email if they want to contact me, if I want to reach out to contact them. So let's type out my email, bonnielu@college.harvard.edu, and submit the form. It's submitted, and then I will be able to access that. So there's also the option to change the background color. So I am a huge pastel color person, so I have pastel pink, pastel green, and pastel blue. On the bottom of the page, the visitor can choose to contact me at my email address, and this links to an automatic mailing thing that allows the user to directly open up their mail and send me the email address with my correct address attached. Now, if you close this and go on top to the navigation bar and open articles, here is a list of my writings and very incomplete list. I will update this later. But basically, here are my writings in economics, ethics, and philosophy, because I really find that writing is a great way to explore my intellectual interests. The Harvard Economics Review website is currently down, so although I've written several articles, I cannot access that, but here's a picture of Professor Kramer and I, who just won the recent Nobel Laureate Prize. And here are the links to my writings on ethics and philosophy, case studies, links to an external website. If we open this, we see that I've written 3 case studies for the Michigan High School Ethics Bowl on literature and artistic portrayals, universal human rights versus cultural autonomy, as well as bystander intervention. Going back to the webpage, we can also see that I've also copied and pasted several of my articles, one on genetic enhancement. Opening this, we see that here is the article on genetic enhancement, with nice formatting, hopefully, and also my miscellaneous writings. One is a summer blog post that, again, links to an external website by the Harvard China Fund. So I interned at the Harvard Business School on the research team in Shanghai, and here is my blog post and my experiences in Shanghai. Going back to the page, we also have another article about my research experiences at HBS. In the Harvard China Fund website. And then lastly, we will explore podcasts. So in podcasts, basically in high school, I was the co-captain of our high school ethics bowl team, and then I've recorded several podcasts for A2 Ethics and founded the high school ethics youth council. So these link to external websites, but to the A2 Ethics internal website, and here we can hear the podcast, but we could also listen to the podcast right on the page because I've embedded it.
Hi, I'm Harry Baggenstoss.
And then lastly, here is a cool GIF of philosophy rotating around. Thank you for exploring my homepage.